What is a fixed denture? A fixed denture or a fixed implant-supported denture is the best prosthesis that can be made to simulate the look and feel of natural teeth. Unlike a traditional complete denture, a fixed implant-supported prosthesis is anchored to the dental implants. This provides you with the security and force to enjoy the foods you love. A fixed implant-supported prosthesis can be made out of different materials. These include acrylic, metal and porcelain, or zirconia. At Vivid Prosthodontics in Edmonton, we often use zirconia because of its fracture resistance and aesthetics. A fixed implant prosthesis is sleek in design with minimal bulk. It allows the palate to be free for maximum comfort when compared with a traditional complete denture. The first step is to come to Vivid Prosthodontics for a treatment consultation and evaluation. There are many factors involved to determine whether or not you are a candidate for a fixed prosthesis, which we'll discuss at those appointments. The next step is for our office to fabricate a surgical template which allows the periodontist or oral surgeon to determine exactly where to put the dental implants. This includes the removal of your remaining dentition and possible bone grafting. Our office will fabricate an interim complete denture to be worn during the healing phase of treatment. We can then proceed with making the final prostheses. One of these appointments includes a teeth try-in where you can evaluate the color, size, and shape of the teeth prior to creating your new smile. Whether your teeth are failing or you simply wish to upgrade to a fixed implant-supported prosthesis, the whole process takes roughly 1 year to complete. As with any prosthesis, oral care will ensure that your teeth and implants last a long time. It is recommended that the prosthesis be removed at least once a year for a thorough professional cleaning. While there are many ways to restore your missing teeth, a fixed implant-supported prosthesis offers the greatest quality of life and the assurance that your teeth won't fall out at your next date. If a fixed denture is something you may be interested in, visit vividdental.ca to learn more. My name is Dr. Arif Sumar. Thanks for watching.